Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2023 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. As you'll see in the photos, the boat has the quantum blue hull sides, has the black sports arch with integrated black bimini top. For power, we have this boat set up with the 200 horsepower V6 Mercury done in white. We have nice sea deck matting throughout, and that's gray to match the stone interior, which is the light gray with the darker trim. At the transom, you have a nice sun pad that converts into aft-facing seating. And then under that, you get a really good amount of storage for all of your gear bags. You have two designated storage places for your tabletops. Your bow filler cushions in here, and then the two table stanchions have clips. So everything stays in place nice while you're underway. The seating arrangement gives you a nice L-shaped seating configuration, designated storage underneath the aft seat. On the port side, you have an adjustable backrest that'll lay down flat to give you an aft-facing lounger, and it's a 3-position seat. You have a head compartment here, and that is a pump-out head. At the helm, you have a nice bucket seat with flip-up bolster. It is digital throttle and shift. The 9-inch digital dash integrates all of your gauges, so you don't have any analog gauges on the dash. Nice clean look, and this also gives you your GPS and depth finder. A Fusion stereo unit here at the helm. You have a walk through up to the bow with a bow block off door. Two nice full-length loungers, nice wraparound bolsters, designated anchor locker. This boat does have the stainless steel package and the blue LED lighting package, which gives you the backlit cup holders and some blue indirect lighting. That's a real quick look at the 230 SPX Outboard here at Wrightsville Beach. If you'd like to see this boat in person, give us a call, 910-256-8100.